Okay guys, this is what I was talking about. So it's springtime and look what the gobblers are doing. They're all feathers spread out. Look at that big boy right there. Now watch what happens. Honk at him. Let's do it again. You can sit here and do this forever. It's super funny. That's just another of those signs of spring. Big turkeys walking around and gobbling when you honk at them. Funny.